Alright guys, so I'm already loaded. I'm back here at the warehouse, and this is the one that we was picking up, the Princess Castle. This is the new slide. Y'all might be able to get to see it today if it gets rented out. They won this one. Y'all gonna get to see this one today. So we're gonna open it up at the customer house. And yeah, for to go pick up Pops. Pops is getting stuff ready for this party bundle. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, so we are here at the customer house. This one is gonna be the new bouncer. Y'all gonna get to see which bouncer it is. Let me call the customer, let her know we're here. This is a party bundle. This is gonna be $325. They're getting the concession stand, the popcorn machine, and the new bouncer. So let's get to it. Alright, there you go. Alright, so y'all just gotta be careful when y'all open. Make sure you don't want to go too deep, so you want to cut the bouncer. Take a guess which one it is. This is all brand new too. This is the brand new one too. All right. Nah, we're just gonna push it back a little bit. All right. There you go. All right, guys. So we get us another Ninja Bounce house. This is our number one. Well, I ain't gonna say number one. This is our second for the boys. Well, I'll say it's number one when the customer asks something for boys. This is our number one unit. Everybody asks for the Ninja, but for the girls, the number one is going to be the Princess Castle. All right. So these are like the top two. Princess and the Ninja are the most popular ones, guys. All right. Just waiting on the customer. We're gonna go. We're gonna plug this extension cord. And there you go. It's on. Brand new Ninja. Let me go ahead and connect this water hose, guys, because they want to use water for this one. All right. There you go. Brand new water hose. I like this water hose better than the other one I got. This one is a little bit thicker. Let me go ahead and hook this up. They're gonna use water. All right, guys. So I got the water hose connected. All I have to do is stake it up, and it's showtime. There you go, another Ninja. Another one. Let me go ahead and stick it up, guys, because we still have one more appointment. No, we have two. So let's get it done, guys. Let's do it. Ready. Ready, guys. That's it for today, guys. I'm done. Let's go. Brand new, this is a brand new Ninja bounce house. Basketball hoop. Yeah, the kids are ready. Let's go.